There were too many storms we could not get through, but I still kept loving you. Now fate brought you back to me. This time I won't let you leave. I'm holding on to you forever. I'm never letting go.
The time I spent away from you was time that made me see I need to live this life with you. I need you here with me. It would take a strong, strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It would take a strong, strong wind to pull away this heart of mine, to make us break apart this time. It would take a strong, strong wind.
Hearts sometimes lose their way, but they find their way back someday to the arms they need. And I need you
Like the air I breathe, the time I spent away from you was time lost in the rain. I meant to live this life with you. That's something nothing can change. It would take a strong, strong wind to take me from your arms again, to take me from your side. It would take a strong, strong wind to tear away this heart of mine, to make us break apart this time. It would take a strong, strong wind.
This time I'm holding on with everything. This time I won't let go for anything.
It would take a strong, strong wind to take me from your arms again.